All right, once in a while you're going to be asked to format a Word document in a proper formal way of writing. So here's what you do. Open up your Word document. Name, class, period, date is the formal way that I know Avid wants you to do it. I would strongly recommend you use a serif font, which means it has little, how do I describe that? These little teeny little things on the font, as opposed to sans serif, which is like Calibri or Helvetica or something like that, but let's not get into fonts right now. All right, serif, use 12 point, name, class, period, and date, title, centered, to enter our return marks. Go back to flush left. This is where it gets a little tricky. It's a little bit different on a Macintosh versus Microsoft PC, but you're going to want a double space. And where you do that on a PC version of Microsoft Word is you go to this little thing called paragraph, little teeny tiny window, and then you hit line spacing and you go to double spacing. You're going to have to do some drop down menus for that, and that's where it is. All right, the other thing is, please do not hit tab for the indent. Please make a formal version of the first line indent here. Don't hit tab, and don't hit, oh, this drives all of us crazy. Type away and don't put an extra space after a period. The reason is the computer is programmed to do the proper spacing for you. The other thing is the keyboard will automatically hit the return at the end of a sentence. You don't have to hit enter. Well, let me show you something here. The reason why your tabs, all your spacings get really, really messed up if you don't just use the computer the way it was designed. So for example, all these little backwards P looking things mean there's a space, there's a return, it's already there. And if you start putting all this extra stuff in there, your spacing is going to get crazy. See that little tiny dot there? That shows you that there's the proper amount of what's called kerning in between the type. It's completely fine. All right? Please don't mess it up. Don't hit enter twice. Don't hit, if your teacher says double space, that doesn't mean you hit the return key twice or the space bar twice. That's not what that means. The keyboard, the computer program is designed to do all this for you and to take all that work away. Oh, please. Okay, that's basically it. That's a formal way to format a Word document.